signs or systems that you have a bad alternator as well. Obviously, one of them might be is your car won't start. Usually on newer cars, there'll be a light that comes on and it'll tell you alternator, or there'll be a gauge on there. If you have a gauge, it'll go down to 12 volts instead of 14 or 15. So those are some signs. Again, I mean, there could be, if it's overcharging, you can smell a rotten egg smell out of the battery, or if it's, again, you could have a smoke, could be if it's overcharging, but usually the normal thing is that the light comes on and lets you know, hey, I'm not charging.